What's up, guys? We're playing Shadow Fight 2, and I'm ready to kick some damn ass. I'm gonna kick that ass. I'm gonna kick that damn ass. You're nothing more than a shadow now, and yet I sense a great power within you. I wonder? Let me see your moves. I'm gonna see them damn moves. Look at it. Oh. Kick, motherfucker, punch. Kick, motherfucker, punch. Impressive, but a bag cannot defend itself. Let's see how you fare against my disciple, Kenji. Oh, that motherfucker look like dude off Naruto or some shit. What the f? Oh, we got these Naruto bitches. Whoa! Come to get that ass, boy. Ooh! Oh! Oh, shit! Hold up. He's whooping my ass, man. Kick his ass. Kick his ass, man. Kick his ass. What the f? Oh, okay. In the face. Boy! Whoa! He got his ass beat. You want this ass whooping again? Whoa! Bro, these controls suck, man. Ooh! I don't know what just happened, but he just got beasted. In the nuts. In the nuts. Do another nut shot. Oh. I'm a damn champion. I'm the Kung Fu master. I knew you could do it. Now you need to find yourself a weapon. Holy shit, we get weapons? Bro. Bro. In this form, you cannot die. That I suggest you challenge one of the demons now. Lynx. Okay. Well, who's my next victim? No, it's Freddy Cougar. Oh shit, no it ain't. It's fucking what, Master Splinter? Oh, he wants some of these hands. Oh shit. Oh shit. Ooh! Wow! Oh god. Okay. What? You want some now, buddy? What? Oh yeah. Bro, why they move so slow? Yes, now I must teabag you. I'm gonna teabag him to death. Oh! 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 Oh shit! He's gonna kill me! Oh no! Whoa, dude! Take that, motherfucker! I'm the freaking champ. I'm the leader of Self Order. You are now worthy of fighting me. At least your battle with Shin is interesting. Interesting. Uh-oh, we got a hoe. Okay. Sure. Alright. We got groupies now. Look at that. What the hell? Look at this dude. Motherfucker, oh. The fucking dolly, the monkey. You fighting the monkey? Yeah! Cut your foot off, son. You don't want none of this. Whoa! What's up, monkey? You little monkey man. What up now? Laying there like a hoe. Whoa! What the fuck? Yeah! You must die now, monkey man. You will die. Oh, damn, he's kicking me on the ground and everything. What the hell? Whoa! Yeah, bitch. Alright, guys, this is Shadow Fighter 2, man. If you go ahead and hit that like it, and go ahead and let me know if you like this. I'll play another round, you know what I'm saying? We got hoes now, so go ahead. Hit it up.